Louis Kilgore's design is back to business as normal, completing Nike's seasonal catalog once again, following a brief commotion over the Nike Air Force 1 Dirty Triple White and the Little Yachty Air Force 1. The transition towards formal attire is undoubtedly significant, effectively establishing the entire theme around the color of the title, brown. The beige leather that follows provides a slight textural contrast to the hairy suede on the toe, collar, and eye stays. It also smashes in across the swoosh and heel cup. The two-tone appearance is a functional palette flip from the iconic 00s style pairs that we are all familiar with, depending on brown tumbled leather instead of its sporty white counterpart. All of this combines to create an elevated air. With a retail price of $120 for women's sizes, the Nike Air Force 1 Low Medium Ash is scheduled to launch on Nike.com in the autumn of 2025.